Hey guys, Ken here. So this is a new channel that I'm starting. Basically, it's going to be doing three things. The first one is every video is going to start with a YouTube comment Q&A. Leave a comment on any one of the videos on this channel and I will get to it and answer it. The second thing is we're going to be doing a subscriber book analysis and optimization. I'm going to be going over your guys' books, telling you what I would improve, how you can get more sales and more royalties from it, and more importantly, what to do moving forward. And I will send an email out every once in a while to my email list so I can have more books to review. So make sure you subscribe to that below if you haven't already. And the third thing is we're going to be going over any relevant up-to-date self-publishing strategy or advice that works right now for myself or for my students so you guys can apply it to your business as well. These videos will be in the exact same format for every single one, starting with the Q&A, going over the books, and then going into a strategy. They're going to be a lot more casual, and I hope to publish these as much as I can, and I want to eventually work up to doing them every single day. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on these videos. They're going to be directly helping you guys out, answering your questions, reviewing your books, just giving you the best and most relevant advice that I can to improve your self-publishing businesses. That's it for the intro video for the new channel. Make sure you leave any questions that you have below, as well as on any other video as they get posted. We'll see you in the next one.